There are times in our lives when we have an energetic vibration that is lower. Maybe we feel sad or blue or even melancholy, or maybe it's 3 a.m. and you're up and all of the stresses of the world feel really heavy. This is a time when you could use a little bit of inner guidance. And the card today that we're exploring shows you just that. It's the Nightlight card. When this card shows up, it's telling you that there may be some cloudiness to your ability to hear your intuition and tap into feeling your true self. It reveals that you need a little space to guide this night energy that we can all feel because intuition truly guides your path. It's time to shift into feeling safe and supported and tap into that inner knowing because the Nightlight card is a fire energy card. It's asking you to connect, to hear that inner wisdom and begin to embody it so that your spirit begins to elevate and inspire you. So rather than staying firmly in that lower vibration that you may feel that this card is asking you, where are you feeling that? It's time to align to a higher vibration by tapping in and hearing what you need to know so that you release any of those patterns and you take that nightlight and become a beacon of light for yourself and for others. You don't need more effort and more worry. You need more alignment. So grab your nightlight, head into the description to tap into your inner knowing, and hit the link for more deets about the guidance the Oracle of the Lake deck offers to do this. And I'll see you in the next card.